Reid Hoffman's $26 billion LinkedIn secret that's growing in the ground. Reid Hoffman's first company collapsed at 30, burned millions. Everyone said he was done. 5 years later, LinkedIn, $26.2 billion exit. Here's what he did between failure and fortune. He planted seeds. Not literally, he planted a social network. We plant trees, same principle, different timeline. Here's what critics don't understand. Reid had to convince people to join a network. We have to convince people to plant a tree. Both seemed impossible. Both are inevitable. Reid's timeline, 1997 failure to 2016 $26 billion exit, 19 years. Our timeline, 2020 citrus crisis to 2031 first harvest, 11 years. Network effects compound, regenerative effects compound, both require critical mass. Paulownia tree planting from agricultural activity is actually the same compelling story about building a large social network platform that affects the physical world, using Reid Hoffman's proven success pattern as validation for our Paulownia tree regenerative forestry opportunities. The lesson: failure isn't when your first company dies. Failure is when you never start your second one. Your biggest loss might be your biggest lesson. Your failed product might be your best market research. Sometimes the biggest platforms come from the smallest pivots. Think big. Reid planted connections. We're planting trees. Nature-based economic and environmental solutions. Join the tree planting network at Bioeconomy Solutions. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this Paulownia tree nature-based solutions. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.